Welcome to the Ruffled Daisy. Today I'm going to teach you how to make this crumpled paper flower on this bloom sign that we're creating. I have this wooden plaque that I got from Walmart that was already stained, and so I just dry brushed some white paint onto it to just give it a little bit more character and distressed look. Next, I took a couple different scrapbook papers and I did the two different colors because I wanted to have some contrast in my flowers. And so I just hand cut a circle. You can trace a circle if you would like. And then I cut progressively smaller and then alternated the colors as well. Progressively going smaller, and I did 3 layers. I had this vinyl that I cut that I wanted to add because I thought it was a really fun addition to the sign. Now for the fun part. All you are going to do is crumple up this paper. Now, there are a few things to remember when you're doing this. You want to get scrapbook paper that is a medium weight, not one that's too heavy and too hard to crumple, but one that is not so thin either that it tears when you crumple it. So you're just going to crumple all these up just like you're going to wad up a piece of paper and throw it in the trash, and then open them back up, and this is going to give them kind of a really unique texture. So now we are just hot gluing these down to make the O's in our word bloom. Again, I did the alternating colors just so that they weren't the exact same, but you could do them however you wanted. And even if you did all the layers in one color, it still looks amazing. To finish off the flowers, I just put a little white button. You could use a rhinestone, you could use a wooden bead, whatever you wanted that fits your style. Next, I just cut out a little shape that looks like a leaf, nothing too fancy, and did the same technique of just crumpling it up and then unrolling it so that it has that texture. We're going to figure out where these look best and glue those in as well. I just love this project. This is one of my favorite things to do with scrapbook paper. There are so many ways to make it look amazing. If you love this DIY and want more, please visit theruffleddaisy.org. Thank you for watching and happy creating.